All right, so this video is a build video. It's episode number 1 in the building of this van that I'm living in now. And keep in mind the footage in it is stuff that I filmed in September, October 2019. That's over a year ago. So some of the footage is a little bit shaky. Maybe some of it could have been a better shot, but back then I was just getting familiar with using the camera and recording stuff for vlogging and all that sort of stuff later on. But I wasn't actually editing any of the footage until now. So anyway, episode 1, build series. Here you go. I'm driving right now, as you can see, in a brand new vehicle. Well, it's not brand new, but a new vehicle. I wound up going with the 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan Stow and Go. It's got, it's the special edition model, so it's got front rear disc brakes, and it's got a pretty much power everything. It's got cruise control. I need to get a new phone mount. This one is really wiggly in this car, so that's gonna go. Probably just reinstall the one that I have in the Jeep, and that'll be that. Okay, so I took out the back seats, and I'm just I took off most of the seat off. There's a part that goes in behind here, also on the other side, and then just down here I took off all the plastic there. It's all metric, so it's pretty straightforward. Metric sockets, you get that out. I'm just threw it over there for now. All this is starting to, I'm starting to notice things like the carpet, and like some where the stains are and whatnot. Stuff with liquid has definitely gone through it. And there's a bit of a kind of a perfumey smell in here, so I think what I might do is rip out most of the carpet and then build up straight off the floor, and just delete this all out of here. Maybe use another kind of liner if I feel like it, but I think I'm just going to ditch the carpet at this point. And I'm going to keep taking these panels off. I might actually go ahead and remove that headliner because I'm noticing it's pretty grungy looking. So I'm going to keep ripping this apart and see what I find. I'll try and include a little video action from time to time. That's it. Bit rough, but that's fine. We'll clean that up. Okay, there we go. The top edge is not pretty. There's a little bit of a burr on that. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna get some spray paint. And there's the other side. Same thing. So I'll just tidy that up with some spray paint, and then that's all gonna get covered up. At this stage, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit those spots up with some paint, right up here, right up there, and I did end up taking that thing off, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna work on the floor next. The coil for the air conditioner and the rear heater core, those are in here. Those will need to get removed pretty quickly, but that's gonna open up this whole area. It was pretty well all enclosed here, except for where the speaker is. There's a little bit of a space there, but anyway, that opens up a lot there. The other side, that opens up a lot there too. And for the floor, all I did right now is I used some of this Home Depot puzzle piece foam that I had for many years going back. I bought that stuff probably 10 years ago, and it's been to all kinds of places doing all kinds of things. Anyway, I'm using it to do the floor insulation in here. There's a line right there, and that's built up. So this is one level of floor that's going to get put in, and there's going to be a transition, and then there's going to be another level of floor all the way out there. Okay, that was a bit of a job, templating all that. Glad it's over. The next step is moving backwards. And at least once I get down bits of these floor pieces, then I can start working on the bed design and some of the cabinet designs. So we're at the shop. You can hear that little sound. We're trying to figure out what that is, just to see if that's going to be anything majorly concerning. If it is, then I might have to stop this project. If not, then I'm going to continue on. Okay, good news. Really good news. Guy took a look at the engine and he's like, well, it sounds to him like the valve lifters is what making the noise. And this particular engine, there's not really a way to adjust it. He says they're a hydraulic lifter. Sometimes what happens is they get dirty and they don't function properly. So that's essentially what's going on. He says the best thing to do at this stage is just put some product additive in the engine that'll help clean those off and then get them working better. So what I'm going to do is stop at a Canadian Tire or Lordco or maybe Mr. Lube and just ask those guys about good product for doing that particular job. And that's it. All right, guys. Take number 4. Here we go. Hope you guys liked that video. That was episode number 1 of the build series. I'm going to be bringing this stuff out in a linear fashion in the best way that I can. So the next one will be coming out maybe in about a week or so. I don't know, maybe it'll be out in probably about a week or so. I got a couple other videos I don't want to edit and put out before then, but the next build series video is going to be going over the insulation and removing the rear HVAC components. That would be the condensing coil and the heater block that's back there, and then maybe some other stuff as well. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna leave it off at there. Guys, thanks for watching, and see you later. Okay. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.